What's up everybody? Today's video is over the Boxy Charm for January. About all the products I got in it and then me getting ready with the stuff that's inside the box. If anyone has any suggestions for future videos, I would love to hear them. Put those in the comments below. I do a lot, anything lifestyle related, so I like makeup, I like vlogging, I love cooking, love fitness. Any suggestion at all, put in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. And if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Alright, so all the makeup comes in this cute little matte black box. There's Boxy Charm on front. The very first thing that you'll see when you open the box is a little card. This one says Rock 2018. It's for January. On the back, you'll get a list of products, a brief product description, and then the price point for that product. The total sum of the products in this box, I think, were about $148, which is awesome considering that the box is only $21 a month. So, these were all the products. And now we're gonna get started. I'm going to start off the look by putting some of this Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer on a freshly washed and moisturized face. Often, but since recruiting isn't an option, I always start by brushing my eyebrows up and out. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Once I have them filled in, I'm going to go in and feather them out a little bit so that they're not so harsh. Then I'm going to go in with a definer brush and a little bit of this Shape Tape concealer and define my brows. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say. Now we're gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette, but these are all metals. Starting with a small blending brush and define my crease a little bit. I have tiny eyes, so I always make it higher than it usually is, or higher than my natural crease is, so I can open up my eyes a little bit. Playing, baby. No, I'm saying, baby, you love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. I feel like I am blending my life away, but it must be done. Right, I'm gonna go in the outer corner with a darker purpley color, and then right in that outside V, and then blend it, and then drag it to the inside. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on you. Alright, now that my crease is all blended out, I'm gonna go in with these metal shades now. I'm gonna go in with this copper shade called Rebel, and then a flat brush. Then I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade called Pop Rock, right into the inside corner. Also going to use that light shade to go highlight underneath my brow bone. Alright, now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go in my base real quick.
Why are you so close to the camera?
Because that's up.
I'm recording.
Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep.
So these are extremely shiny, extremely pigmented. Taking a blush brush, going in with just a tiny bit. It's very sparkly. Not used to it, but it doesn't look bad. Go in with a little bit of this bronzer.
We gon' keep it psychedelic like a cap and a stem.
Wow. Oh shit. Last but not least, highlighter.
Every day like a birthday.
Do you see this highlighter? Do you see it? Look at it. That's a shiny. Cupid's bow. A little on my chin. And then I go with my finger and go down the bridge of my nose. Damn. Damn! This shit's bright.
I know.
Going to line my lips with a lip liner that I already have, and then we're gonna go in with this lippy that came in the box.
Come and catch a wave, take one out my cup. Yeah, damn the OG, damn the police, wildin' in SV.
I'm gonna pop some of this Pretty Vulgar lippy on the middle of my lips, and this is actually another item that I got from one of the months.
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us.
I should have done this when I finished my eyes, but I need to throw in some mascara and then some falsies.
Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay.
With this red metal, reddish metal called Wild Thing, and a little shader brush, and then smoke out underneath my eye. And I like to use a red underneath my eyes because I have hazel eyes, and then using a red makes that green in my eyes really pop.
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters.
Going to finish the whole thing with some Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, which, you guessed it, I also got in one of my Boxy Charms.
Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.
This is the final look.
Wait up, but don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep,